Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are actually watching my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to provide display based security inside the Linux machine. You know, display based security means, what do you mean by display based security? So let's hear carefully. Suppose you are working for a company, like you are working as a freelancer and you went to a company, you providing them some service. Now they will provide you some assistant, and the assistant will come to you and he will just stand behind you. So whatever command you type on the screen, he will be easily able to see you, and you can't say him to go because he is there to assist you. Okay, now you know that company does not want anyone from outside, so that because they have to pay for every hour, that's why company wants their own employee to go and learn how he is fixing things. So what will happen when someone come from outside as a freelancer and he is fixing things inside the company employee trying to learn how things are working. Okay, so now as a freelancer, your task is, if you want to hide, you don't want to show what is you are typing on the screen. Okay, like suppose the person is standing just behind you and you don't want that person to see what you are typing, you can use this technique. Okay, this is known as display based security. Now how we apply this? You just have to simply suppose, if I type if config command, everyone know that if config command is used to check the IP address in Linux. So if you type this command, you can see your IP address is here. But if the person is standing behind me, he can clearly see this command, if config ETA 0, what I have typed here. If I want to see the date command, I will type date here and the output will be visible. But with output, the command, it means the input is also visible. What I actually want that the person who is just standing behind me or with me, he will only able to see the output and not the command I am typing. So how you can do that? Let's learn. The command to hide is stty minus echo. Okay, you have to type this one, stty minus echo. After typing this command, anyone who is standing with you, either with you or he is standing just behind you, he will not be able to see the output on your screen. Let's see. So I have typed. Now if I type ls command, see, no one is able to see the command. Ls command is not visible here. I am typing if config ETA 0. I type this command and I press enter. You can see if config command ETA 0 command is not visible here. Okay, so if I type, suppose fdisk -l to check the partition, I press fdisk -l, but the command is not visible. The command is completely not visible. You are only able to see the output. I type here df-h and you can see you can't see the command. You just see the output. No one can see the output. No one can see the command. Only everyone can see the output, whether the person is standing with you, behind you, side you, it doesn't matter. Okay, now you can see I can clear the screen, but the command is not visible here. Now if I say cal command, here you can see the calendar is visible, but the command is not visible. But now you guys can ask me that if someone run the history command, what will happen? Like if someone run history command, no, here, then suppose history command, then he will be able to see the command I have typed. So what to do this? I have a trick for that one. You can clear the history after running this command. First let me remove the security. How to remove the security? You can see the security applied in line number 101 stty minus echo. If you want to remove it, just type stty echo. Remember, the command is not visible to you also. Okay, you are just typing it and done. Now once you type this, now the command, the security has been removed. For removing the security, which command I have used? See this command, line number 101 to apply the display based security. Line number 110, that is 110, to remove the security. Okay, if you want to remove the display based security, you have to use line number 110. Now you can ask me that question, that is someone run history command, he might be able to see all those commands. No, you can run this command history minus c. Okay, and this will completely clean the history. Now if you type the history command, nothing will be visible. Okay, so you can clean the history also using the same command. I hope you guys understand, but if you guys have still any doubts, you can clearly ask me in the comment section. Okay, so thank you for watching.